Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about how you can treat your pigmentation, hyperpigmentation and dark spots using one of the highly effective ingredient, that is the potato. So in this video I'm sharing with you guys how to prepare the powerful combination of the potato face serum and the potato face cream. This combination helps to remove the blemishes, dark spots, acne scars and pigmentation easily and fastly from your skin and will make your skin crystal clear, spotless, glowing and highly moisturized as well. This combination also has anti-aging and skin brightening properties into it as well. So it will also brighten up your skin and will give your skin an ageless look. So now without further ado, firstly let's see how to prepare this dark spots and pigmentation removal potato face cream. So to prepare this home remedy, you only gonna need one potato. So here I'm just taking this one potato and cutting it into two halves. And now we have to grate this potato, and for that I'm just using this grater and I'm just grating this potato really nicely. So now after grating the potato well, your homemade potato paste will look something like this. And now we'll take out potato juice out of it, and for that I'm just using this strainer and now putting all this potato paste into this strainer and squeezing it well to take out all the potato juice out of this potato paste. So now after squeezing out all the potato juice out of this grated potatoes, your homemade potato juice is ready and it will look something like this. So now what we have to do is we just have to leave this potato juice like this for around 15 to 20 minutes or even half an hour would be enough. So now after half an hour, when we see this potato juice, it will become more darker in color and will look something like this. And now we have to just transfer this potato juice into another bowl, and we'll see that the potato starch has been collected at the bottom and all this white stuff is the potato starch. Potato starch has enormous benefits for your skin. It helps in removing the dark spots, skin pigmentation, hyperpigmentation marks from your skin. It also helps in fighting against all the signs of premature aging and also helps to reduce the appearances of blemishes, acne scars and pimples from your skin. It's also the best anti-inflammatory, anti-aging as well as anti-acne ingredient. So for today we are just going to use this starch. So now let's just prepare this homemade potato cream. So firstly I've just took this homemade potato starch into this clean bowl. Now we are going to use glycerin, and here I'm just adding 1 teaspoon of glycerin into it. After that we are going to need vitamin E oil, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. Now after adding the vitamin E, I'm just giving a good mix to all these three ingredients so that they all combine well. And now lastly we're going to use aloe vera gel, and here I'm adding 2 big tablespoons of aloe vera gel into it. And now after adding the aloe vera gel, here I'm just mixing all these ingredients really well so that they all mix with each other nicely and makes a smooth, lump-free, creamy and a fluffy cream. So now after mixing everything really nicely, your homemade potato cream is ready and it will look something like this. This cream is really effective and the best homemade solution to remove dark spots, acne scars, pigmentation and hyperpigmentation from your skin. It also helps in skin brightening, skin lightening and in even toning your skin. So now let me tell you how to store this cream for best use. So you can store this cream in any airtight container, and here I'm just transferring this cream into this small airtight jar, and you can store it in any airtight jar or container in refrigerator for up to 15 to 20 days. And after preparing the face cream, now let's see how to prepare this pigmentation and dark spots removal potato face serum. To prepare this face serum, you firstly gonna need sandalwood powder, and here I'm taking approx 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder into a clean bowl. After that you are going to need rose water, and here I'm adding approx 1 teaspoon of rose water into it. And after adding the rose water, I'm just giving a good mix to both these ingredients so that they mix with each other well. And now as you can see that the paste is a little thick and we want a runny consistency paste to make this serum. So here I'm again adding approx 1 teaspoon of rose water into it. And now again I'm just giving a good mix to both these ingredients. And after mixing them well, now the time to add the potato juice into it. So here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of potato juice into it. after that you are going to need glycerin, and here I'm adding 2 teaspoons of glycerin into it. And after the glycerin, we are going to need vitamin E oil, and if you don't have this oil, then you can even use the vitamin E capsules, or you can even use olive oil. And here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. And after adding the vitamin E oil, now I'm just going to give a good mix to all these ingredients so that they all mix with each other well and makes a smooth and a runny consistency paste. So now after mixing everything really well, your homemade skin brightening and anti-aging face serum is ready, and it will look something like this. The consistency of this serum should be really runny and should be so much creamy and glowy as you can see in the video. So this face serum is really effective in treating the dark spots, acne scars, pigmentation and hyperpigmentation from your skin. It has amazing anti-aging properties into it. So it will also fade away all the wrinkles, fine lines and sagging skin, and it will make your skin really bright, glowing, hydrating and crystal clear. This serum deeply moisturizes your skin, so it will give you deep nourishment and will make your skin really glowy, spotless and give you that glass skin look. And you can store this serum in any airtight container. And here I'm just transferring this serum into this small glass dropper. And you can store this serum in refrigerator for up to 15 to 20 days. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.